Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to our channel and welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to talk about Corsair Gaming, CRSR. As you know, the Mimi folks, or the Reddit folks, have been jumping on the stock in the last 48 hours and pumped the stock up the other day. And I'll show you what I did to my positions while that was happening and where I believe we're heading. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and click any of the money icons below to review our past videos. And smash the like button and subscribe so you can see our future content. So let's get busy. Alright, here's our positions on CRSR. The other day, on the 14th, I sold out my position so I can go ahead and take the whole profit of $958 for this week. It was great. So a total on CRSR has paid us $1,991 since February from all these positions here. Currently, it's at 1:30 in the afternoon or 2:34 or so in the East Coast. The share price has dropped a little bit off its peak because the NASDAQ and all the indices, it crashed today. And we can keep seeing this for the next couple of days, then these share prices are going to keep going down. Because remember, these guys are in the NASDAQ. Even though the volume is up 13 million shares today, and the normal volume is 2.3 million, it's because of the Reddit folks. People have been selling off those shares. The market cap is only 3.2 billion. The 1 year target estimate is $46 a share, which we're only at $35 a share. For June, we have no rating so far, even though we got a rating yesterday. And I'll show you that rating. Yahoo, it takes a couple of days for them to update. The low side of the analysts are $37. The high side is $55, and the average is $46. We're currently sitting at $35. The short ratio increased almost 10% from the previous 15 days. Based on May 28th, there is almost 22% of the float that's shorted. That's why there's a short attack going on right now. Let's look at some of the commentary here from Jake here on Monday. And they talked about they joined the growing list of Mimi stocks. And the equity is up 16% today. That was yesterday. And then they talk about the call volume. So far, there was 116,000 calls and 33,000 puts have crossed the tape. 25 times the intraday average. The most popular call was the June 50th. Let's look at that. Here's the option chain. The 50 calls here. Look. Over 10,800. And that was because of yesterday's event. Another 6,000 today. And over here, look at the 40. There's 11.5 thousand and 12,000 today. So there's folks that are picking up these calls and paying 42 cents or so, which would cost you $420 if you're going for 10 options. That's it. You're betting on the price to go over 40 or do some quick movements toward 40 or going over 40 before this week. Remember, these are monthly calls on the 18th. Let's see what the July 16th is looking like. Again, there are high premiums here. And looks like some action here is going on here for the 50s. And there's some going on for the 45s and again at the 40s. On the put sides, everybody's going after the 30s. Again, another article on the memes. And one of the strong buys came out. They're implying a $50 a share. Robert Beard, analyst, they're maintaining a 48. I'll also have this article down below as well. So let's get to the chart here. See what happened here over the last 2 days. This is Monday. We shot up all the way up to a little bit over $40 a share. And then we pulled back down to about 36. And then this all happened on Monday. And then we went back up to about $40, $41, $42 there. And then we pulled back at the end of the day. So this looking to me like a classic pump and dump action. Until we start seeing more of the Reddit folks jumping in on this, I would just keep an eye on it. Even though this is the same price I picked it up back here. I mean, back here at 6.3, it was at the same price that it is right now, about $34.91. And if you even go back further, you see a pop here. So this stock likes to pop. If you can get it underneath 35, this thing is a bargain. While the shorts is this high, when you have over 20% shorts in the stock, at any given time, you can get a short squeeze like this. And then you could take advantage of it. But then again, if you have a covered call against it, you can't take advantage of it because you just have to wait it through. But if you didn't have a covered call against it, then you could sell it when it jumps up this high, and then when it drops lower, you could turn around and buy it back. So you have to think about that when you do covered calls, these monthly covered calls. Because there's a long time period for a whole month when you tie your stock up into a covered call on these monthlies. At least do 50% of your position in covered calls if you are going to get into a stock like this. Because you don't know what the market's going to do. Shoot, we could drop back down to 31 again. Okay, and 31 is a good price. I should have picked up more at the 31 and 32 here. But I thought you was even going down further. So we have a little bump here that helped the stock out. And now it's coming back down and going sideways. And a lot of analysts are saying it's going to go up to 40, 48. But if the NASDAQ goes down and keeps going down, then this stock is going to go down, guys. Unless the Reddit folks turn around and jump in there and pick up the slack. Now, I appreciate you guys watching this video today. I just want to do a quick video on CRSR, even though I pulled out of it. I'm looking at jumping back in somewhere around 30, 31, 32 range. I'm going to be watching her and see what the movements go and see how the Reddit community and the meme folks move this stock against the shorts. But if the NASDAQ keeps going downward, then I'm just going to stay out of the stock and wait for a while until the price gets more stabilized and the market gets more stabilized. Please smash the like button and subscribe so you can get our future content. And I appreciate you guys watching our video. This is Sonny. I'm out.